Hola Antonia, hola Carolina. Thank you so much for having me again. In this session, we will make the flute, una flauta with different colors. We have this kind of the recycling. We have this straw, plastic straw from the Slurpees. If you don't have any this plastic or recycling, you can use your own. If you don't have, we can find or replace the material for another one. Okay, go and found 3 or 4 or 5 straw. Okay? Yeah. Necesitas volver, okay? But looking for these 3 materials for make the float today. The Peruvian float o zampoña. ¿Ya? Ok, vamos. Y sticky tape and the scissors. Okay? Yeah. I give it to you 10 seconds again. 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, me equivoqué, y 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Ya niños, niñas, come in. Okay, come back. Boys and girls, chicos y chicas, niños y niñas, vuelvan. We have, in my case, I have a tree and I can cut with the scissor, but if you just have the regular metal, you just need to put together with the sticky tape. And I make the different size for this zampoña. Ya, y voy a cortar ahí. Ahí donde hice la línea, where I make the line, I cut in there. Okay, and here I cut this part because I don't need this part anymore. Okay, and okay, like this. Okay, maybe. Yes, and I will stick with sticky tape. Together. And together. And now I make the decoration. You can make the same. Okay, like this. I want to make with the flowers for me. Zampoña o flauta. Okay, I can make this long. like this and make this sound. Okay? If you want to make like this, cut like this, is great as well, okay? ¿Les gustó? Do you like it? So nice. Really good. And you learn another handcraft with recycled materials today. Okay. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. Nos vemos. Chao, pescado.
¿Listo, Rami? Listo, Sol. ¿Listos? ¡Camusi! ¡Pajarito! ¡Tren! Es una... ¡Zampoña! ¡Ñañoña! ¡Zam! ¡Po! ¡Ña! ¡Sañoña! ¡Zampoña! ¡Sí! ¡Sam! ¡Po! ¡Ña! ¡Zampoña!